Okay, photographers, so you just sent a gallery full of images that are beautiful and your clients love them. So why aren't they buying prints? I remember back when I was a photographer, before I focused on design, I used to deliver galleries that I was so proud of. Stunning photos, glowing feedback, and then nothing. No orders, no questions about albums, just a sweet thank you. We love them, and radio silence. And so I started to wonder, was it the pricing? Should I make my prints cheaper or more expensive? Did I miss something in my marketing? Turns out it wasn't about the quality of the photos. It was about the experience that I was or wasn't creating around print sales. And so today I want to help you fix that so that your galleries don't just end in likes, they end in sales. Let's talk about the top 3 reasons portrait photographers struggle to sell prints and how to fix it. First mistake that people make is that you're delivering galleries, not guiding decisions. Most photographers drop a link to an online gallery and call it a day. But that gallery is overwhelming. Your clients are busy and unsure about what to order and afraid to make the wrong choice and waste their money. So they do nothing. Here's a fix. Don't just deliver, curate. Include print suggestions, highlight best sellers, and prompt the question, what photos do you want to see on your walls 5 years from now? What memories do you want to be reminded of? Second mistake that photographers make is that you haven't educated your clients on why prints matter. When I was a photographer and I was just getting started, I used to mail my clients images on a branded CD that I had professionally printed. But now those clients probably can't even use those CDs. I know that none of my computers have CD drives in them any longer. So in the age of everything being online and cloud hosting, clients don't understand why physical prints are worth it unless you show them. So here's the fix. When you deliver the images, start to plant the seed. Tell them that these images look amazing, but that they're meant to be printed, not just left on their phone or in those galleries. And then you take the time to show them how. Tell them what the options are. Take their actual images and show it to them in a layout on a wall that is similar to their home. When they can visualize the close-ups with the further back images in big gallery walls, they're going to be a lot more likely to hit add to cart. Explain the emotional impact of prints, the heirloom factor, the idea that someday their kids will hold these prints in their hands. Their grandkids might hold these prints in their hands. I know that some of my most valued possessions are images, physical prints of my grandparents, of my parents growing up, and of me as a child, because I'm going to date myself here, but I was born before digital cameras. Third reason that people aren't buying is that your sales process is clunky or non-existent. If the print ordering experience feels a bit like extra homework, it's probably not going to happen. You need a dedicated print sales page that is visually beautiful, educational, and easy to understand. And here's the good news. You don't have to start it from scratch. Our print product sales page is a plug-and-play solution that helps photographers like you turn online galleries into actual print sales. It's professionally designed. You can drop your images into little frames that look like they are on a wall. I wrote all of the copy and it's designed to sell, and it's made for photographers who want to serve and scale without burning out. So that instead of just getting paid a couple $100s for a session, you can start getting paid hundreds and even thousands of dollars for every session that you shoot. Your clients hired you for the moments, but what if you gave them more than a moment? What if you gave them something that they could touch and frame and pass down for the generations to come? This isn't just about revenue, it's about legacy. And you, my friend, are the one who can bring that to life. So if you're ready to turn your online galleries into print orders, grab our print product sales page. I'll include a link below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so that you get all the updates about future videos that we release. Thanks, guys.